And this over here is a spacious living and dining area where you will be getting two parallel platforms. You can place a king size bed along with your side tables. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Nature Vista Ayodhya City by Saket Group located in Kalyan Dombivli. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, which is also the actual land parcel of the project. To the right, we have the main entrance, and we'll also take you and show you the main road and the neighborhood later in this video. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 32 acres that will have 4 phases. First phase is Ayodhya City that is spread across 11 acres that will have 12 towers of ground plus 25 floors having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Also, you have Jodi options available. Speaking of amenities, this project has 100 plus luxurious amenities. Name any amenity and they will have it in the project, and the amenities will include 4 types of swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, mini theatre, multi-purpose court, kids play area, indoor games and many more amenities. Each and every amenity that you can imagine will be there in the project. And now before getting into the location and connectivity, let me tell you that we are standing at the actual location of the project. Also, let me tell you that this project has 2 main entrances. One is on the Kalyan side and one is on the Dombivli side. And right now we are standing at the main entrance of the Kalyan side. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. From Kalyan side, this project is located bang on Haji Malang Road. From the left, you can reach to Kalyan railway station, and from the right, you can reach Navi Mumbai. Now, speaking of location and connectivity, from Kalyan, this project is located at Haji Malang Road, and from Dombivli, the project is located at Kalyan Shield Road. From where Dombivli railway station is at a distance of 15 minutes, and again Kalyan railway station from here is at a distance of 15 minutes itself. Also, upcoming metro is at a distance of 10 minutes walk from both the sides of the project, and you have school, colleges, hospital within the distance of 2 kilometers from the project. To know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. Now, we are entering the 2 BHK of the project that is spread across the carpet area of 710 square feet. As we enter, you have a foyer area, and this over here is a spacious living and dining area. You can see how spacious your living and dining is. You can easily place a sofa, center table and customize your TV unit. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. You can place your dining table in this corner of easily 5 to 6 people, and you can see you have walkable space even after placing all your furniture. Also attached to your living, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony where you can place your tea tables, tea chairs or your swings and enjoy the view from your balcony. Moving forward, on this side, we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, right outside your common washroom, you have extra utility space that you can customize as per your choice. To my right is your common bedroom. As we enter, you can see this over here is the space of your common bedroom where you can easily place a queen size bed along with your side tables. You can see you have walkable space even after placing all your furniture. You have wardrobe space provided in this corner, which is very spacious, and you can build lofts if you wish to. Again, attached to this common bedroom as well, you will be getting full French windows full French windows with a very spacious standing balcony from where you can enjoy the views. Moving forward, on this side, we have the entrance to your master bedroom and your kitchen space. First, in this corner, we have your kitchen space where you will be getting two parallel platforms. Along with the stainless steel sink, you can see you have walkable space provided. Also, you have walking space provided in the kitchen. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets, and as you move forward, you can see you have extra utility space provided. That can also be a dryer corner. You can place your washing machine. And again, you can see a space provided to place your refrigerator where you can easily fit a double door fridge. And now, before moving towards the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's enter the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you can see this over here is the space of your master bedroom. You can see your walkable space even after placing all your furniture. You can place a king size bed along with your side tables. You can also customize your wardrobe in this corner. And attached to your master bedroom again, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony. You have a very spacious standing balcony attached to your master bedroom. And over here in this corner, we have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Nature Vista, Ayodhya City. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Nature Vista, Ayodhya City by Saket Group located in Kalyan Dombivli.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.